Hey everybody, Julian here with Reshoevn8r. Welcome back to another Shoe Care Academy video. We drop a new video every Thursday, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, the bell for notifications, and Vic will be back on Monday. Today, we are going to be cleaning these Fire Red 5s. These are the 2020 release. They were supposed to drop back in April. Due to the coronavirus, they got pushed to May. We haven't had them for long, but whoever was wearing these trashed them. So let's see if we can use our Reshoevn8r Essential Kit to clean these up. All right, now that we're all set up, let's take a look at what we're working with. We have our 3 brushes that come with the Essential Kit, along with our shoe cleaning solution and our microfiber towel. I went ahead and brought in our collapsible bowl, our shoe tree, and our cleaning mat. So we went ahead and put the left shoe off to the side so we can keep it dirty for before and after purposes, and we'll be cleaning the right shoe today. So let's go ahead and take off the laces. And we're going to be dealing with this lace lock. All right, we got our shoelaces. We're going to set those off to the side along with the lace lock. We're going to go ahead and put our shoe tree in. It's 5th hole. There we go, perfect. All right, the reason that we use a shoe tree is so we don't crunch that toe box, give it some support when we're scrubbing, and we don't cause creases in the leather. Next step is that we're gonna go ahead and add our cleaning solution to our bowl. Just 2 squirts will be perfect. A little bit more, but that's not gonna hurt. And then we're gonna start off by using our soft bristle brush. All right, let's wipe off those excess suds and see what we're working with. Soft bristle brush did a pretty good job. I don't think we have much work to do with the medium bristle brush. There's a couple spots like up here in the plastic that we're gonna hit with the medium bristle brush, but that's about it. So let's get rolling into the medium bristle brush. All right, we're ready to move on to the midsoles with the stiff bristle brush. You're gonna wanna be very careful on the painted midsoles. Let the brush do the work, otherwise you take a chance of taking off some of that paint and scratching it. All right, let's get into it. Now that we're all set, this thing's looking sharp, we're gonna go let this air dry for a little bit. We're not gonna throw this in the laundry. I don't think we need to. Everything cleaned up really sweet with just our Essential Kit. So we're gonna set that off to the side, and then we're gonna grab our laces and give those a quick clean. Just drop them here in our water bowl with the solution. Dip those around a little bit, get them agitated in there. Go ahead, just give these a scrub in between our hands. This is when this cleaning mat comes in essential. You don't have to worry about all the water and the suds dropping on your mom's table and then getting beat later on for it. All right, let's just dry these off with our microfiber towel real quick. All right, That's about it. Let's go take these outside and let them dry. What is up, YouTube? We are back. The shoe has been cleaned, it has been dried, and it has been relaced. So let's get into it. Overall, I think this thing turned out sweet. The leather is back to white. The netting is clean, no yellowing there. The only problem that I see is that these soles there's a lot of dirt still in there, and I probably could have hit them a little harder with a stiff bristle brush. We got some yellowing in there, and just those crevices there's just some dirt just embedded in there. But another round with a stiff bristle brush, they should be good to go. I would still rock these. As a matter of fact, I was able to pick up the alternate grape 5s. Those things are pretty loud but pretty sweet. Reshoevn8r got a pair as well, but we had to donate them to Vic because he's gonna be doing something special with them. And Vic will be back Monday. Don't worry, I got something special. It's what he's been working on. Fire. And let's go see what the office thinks about these things. Yo, Doug, what do you think of these?
Holy smokes, those are badass. I'm liking them.
All right, on to the next. Yo, Kilo.
Hey, what's up, bro? How are you? What do you got there?
Let me show you these things.
What? Yo, those are so flame. Wow, dude, those are clean, dog. Nice.
Yeah. All right, guys. I gotta show these to you. What do you think?
What? Those are crazy.
Touch them. Just once.
Okay.
All right. On to the next one. Yo, guys, I hate to interrupt, but I gotta show you guys these.
Oh my God, those are crazy.
Yo, those are fire.
Wow, man, those are insane.
Oh yeah. Thank you guys for tuning in to today's video. Sorry to tease you like that. These things are just too good to ruin the surprise. Vic drops the video for these on Monday, so make sure you guys tune in. There's also a ton of things coming up in the next couple of weeks, so make sure you're paying attention. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.